So it's actually Cookie Gulati and Robbie Grewal who've put this world together with Siddharth Anand. If you see the trailer, as you can very correctly see, it's a heist that we're trying to do. Where I'm going to talk about my character. I'm sure they'll come to theirs. I'm playing. The good part is in the trailer there is this little mystery that is there around my character. You don't know she's the good one, she's the bad one. Who is she with exactly? So I think that's pretty much who I am. This mysterious person who you really don't know what she's up to. And of course, you will see that throughout the film. Because again, you don't know which side she's going towards. So I think that's the beauty of the character, where you keep it mysterious. And I guess as an audience, you always enjoy watching a mysterious woman in the middle of all of this chaos. You always wonder what this one's going to do. So I guess I'm just going to like sit back and watch the limelight that this character is getting because of this. Kunal is playing this cop called Vikram Patel,
Right.
who basically is very, very smart. He thinks very sharp, but only 5 minutes slow. So every time he needs to catch anybody, he's 5 minutes late. But he's a very smart and good-looking cop. That's what Kunal's playing. Am I missing out anything?
Like Vikram's intelligence is just 5 minutes
मतलब
back.
Behind.
गजनी
Like
type
the
है.
two dots is catching up again, catching up. It goes to
और
infinity.
कभी-कभी विक्रम को लगता है मैं यहाँ पर हूँ
हाँ.
और ये लोग पीछे हैं
हाँ.
और ये लोग अभी इधर आएंगे, लेकिन वो उस तरफ चले जाते हैं तो विक्रम इधर खड़ा रह जाता है.
So he's the smart and rugged cop that you get to see. And then Jaideep is playing this very, very, very charming. I wouldn't say charming actually. Very, very dashing Don, if I had to put it. Who's very desi at heart, but at the same time, he's this person who likes to show like he's this rich, poised man, which he isn't. And you see bits and pieces of his desiness when the actual person inside him comes out and he's smashing people. But he's the guy who loves money, who loves business. You can see him do that. I guess, is there anything I'm missing out on?
देसी डैशिंग डॉन.
Yeah, Desi Dashing Don.
यही बात खत्म.
Yeah.
Got it,
कुछ
you
कुछ
nailed it.
बोलना है उसमें और आगे ऐड करूँ नहीं. Yeah, so that's all of us. Do I need to speak for Saif also?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Speak for Saif, speak for
You all
Chadda.
are tired. I
Chadda.
can see that.
You can speak for Sid also if you like.
So Saif is playing this. Saif is playing himself, yeah.
Cool,
Saif is
dashing,
playing this himself. He's
stylish,
playing this cool guy
funny.
who's out there to get ahead of everybody, do these really cool things, steals the diamond. You don't know what he's up to next. He thinks 5 steps ahead. Sorry about that.
Yeah, thank you.
He thinks 5 steps ahead. He's very unpredictable, but he's always got his game on point. That's Saif. Anybody else? किसी का और के बारे में बोलना है? Chadda. Chadda's is a very
I
cool
think you
character.
should stop. I think you should stop at some point.
The most Kunal's partner in crime.
I think बस. Well, for a change, I'm not the philosopher, I'm the fighter. And I don't, अक्सर क्या होता है कि जो all the parts that I play, you know, he's the peacemaker, he's the moderator, he's the one trying to like get people together. This one doesn't give a shit, right? This one's like a little missile who once he locks into something, he will not stop, no matter what the cost, till he gets to what he wants to get to. So very different from anything I've done before, and thank God for it. Because what happens is that, you know, once people like you in a particular kind of role, it becomes very difficult for them to see you in something else. And I'm glad that, you know, Cookie, Robbie, Sid, they've you know, written this role and thought of casting me in it, because I've really enjoyed it, and it's been very different from anything else that I've done before. Well, he was very nervous, and then we sat him down and we said, Jaideep, it's okay, you can do this. He said, कितना टाइम है मेरे पास? So I said 6 महीने हैं. तो फिर 6 महीने तक हमने रोज इनको रिहर्सल करवाया.
उसके बाद फिल्म का बजट बढ़ाना पड़ा, and then we had to use AI, and then we got an AI version of Jaideep that danced. Yeah.
बोलना चाहेंगे आप?
6 महीने हर दिन 6 घंटे की रिहर्सल के बावजूद इन लोगों ने AI इस्तेमाल की.
और फिर उसके बाद ऑब्वियसली बहुत एडिटिंग करनी पड़ी और
I know.
जी
हाँ,
जी जी
4-5 दिन लग गए
But
shoot
we
करने में.
finally get
Finally
it.
we
managed
finally
it.
got it we finally got it
ऑडियंस
जी.
को हमने
Audience
बेवकूफ
को
बना
हमने
दिया.
convince कर दिया कि ये this is Jaideep Allowed dancing. I think the best thing about him and Mamta ma'am, they're so. I think when they decided that this is the film we're going to do, they knew what kind of cast and crew they want. So the clarity for these kind of films you need, it was already there when I came on board. I don't know what they felt about it, but they were exactly like Mamta used to tell me that, okay, this is the kind of canvas for your costume we are looking for. And which was for me like, oh, wow, this is too much. I mean, but they knew it कि हम इसको किस दिशा में लेके जाना चाह रहे हैं. So I think they were already prepared for what they are making. और the part जो बच गया था वो था सिर्फ shooting of it. So that's how the clarity is. Otherwise क्या होगा कि अगर क्योंकि फिल्म इस तरह की फिल्म से ना बहुत ट्रिकी होती हैं फॉर द प्लॉट कि आपको कितना रिवील करना है, कब करना है और कहाँ किस पॉइंट पे जाके करना है. तो अगर वो क्लैरिटी ऑलरेडी नहीं है तो यू माइट एंड अप शूटिंग डिफरेंट सीन्स और इन अ डिफरेंट मूड.
True.
ओ ये बात तो वहां रिवील करनी थी पर वो यहाँ हो गई है. दैट यू कांट डू दैट.
Yeah.
So the clarity was very very right there.
I think also to add on, both of them, they are very, as he rightly said, they're very precise. So if you've seen Sid Anand's films, they're always very crisp. बहुत fast move करती हैं. There's nothing unnecessary that's happening. Nothing feels dragged. And more than anything, like this is fully credit where due. Generally, this industry unfortunately has a lot of people where we deal with egos and we deal with कि problem हो गई है तो उसको किसी को solve नहीं करना है. What I really appreciate is this attitude that I noticed in both of them, that if there's an issue, let's solve it like quickly. Like Mamta very very wisely says that everything is possible with communication. Everything is solvable. And I swear to God, I've seen that happen on set, that every time there's an issue, immediately it's resolved. So I guess that just generically in life is a great attitude to have. And especially when you're making a film, because it just makes the working experience so smooth.
Yeah, true.
Actually, exactly after Waking of a Nation. I remember finishing Waking of a Nation in December 2023, and somewhere in Feb is when we got into Jewel Thief. So that was back to back for me. And I think more than anything, I was mentally very ready to do something more challenging, because that was challenging enough in terms of performance, whatever I've done so far in my career. And after that, when this came, I said, wow, this is like completely different, a new challenge altogether. So it's pretty much anything that an actor can ask for. Honestly, not much time. Physically, I would say yes, because that needed some kind of physical appearance that I was going up with for quite a period of time. I guess, in fact, it's very interesting because you come, what? Go for it, say.
No, हम लोग अपनी लंबी टांगों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
वो बता तो आप बात करते
ये
हो, बता.
छोटी कुर्सी और
Acha, वैसे. So I guess it's just that bit of the physicality of it. But apart from that, I guess this was also a great breather, because that was a very serious show I came out of, and suddenly into this world of Jewel Thief, which is, as you can see, it's taken you back into the film charm that we like watching. Yeah, so it's the best of both worlds.
No, not at all. It's exactly the same, actually. No, I don't think anything changes. I mean, an OTT platform is, or a theater is just a distribution a medium, right? But how you approach the film, what you do on a set, is all exactly the same. I think the only difference is that also with platforms and stuff, you can take a lot more risks, which you might not take as far as theatrical is concerned, because the box office numbers are really important. But besides that, I don't think the approach is exactly the same.
No check marks in that sense, but when you read a script, either it's a series or a film, it should give you something to hang on, to latch on actually. That, oh, this is something very exciting, or this is something very new, or even if it's a story you have heard, but the presentation is different, the feel is different. So something you have to, in a sense, okay, this is going to be new to you also, for after on sets, and you'll feel different while you'll be doing it. And yeah, I think that's the first thing which
has to be a
comes in the
novelty.
mind, and then you meet your director, the team, and you feel, okay, now we are in the same space, we understand each other, let's start this. So that's the, I think, first thing to begin with.
Okay.